Hey guys, it's King and welcome back to another vlog. And for today's vlog, nakita nyo naman sa title, we'll be having a mukbang plus Q&A. Yes guys, nagtanong ako sa Instagram ko before and I will answer it right now. At ito nga pala yung mga food ko. Homemade Samgyeopsal guys. Ito, nilagyan lang namin ng fish cake yung noodles and ito yung Samgyeopsal pork, ito yung lettuce and melted cheese and pizza. Yeah! Guys, ayun, nakita nyo na yung food ko. And if you are interested in this video, just keep on watching. Yan guys, nakita yung food ko at kakain muna ako bago magsagot ng questions. Yes, we have pizza over here. Yeah. First question is from _JustJem. What's your dream place? Yeah. Yes guys, yung dream place ko, if mainit, sa Dubai. If malamig, sa Iceland. And if malapit naman, Korea and Japan. Next question. From _Kyle Guerrero. Sinong crush mo sa Ian Tuwing? Wala po. Wala akong crush sa mga blockmate ko dahil I treat them as brothers and sisters. Next question is from Tito Justine. Wait. What's the simplest thing that makes you happy and fulfilled? Siguro yung presence ng tao pag lalo na kung in-invite mo siya, then wala yun, presence lang siguro. Next is from Kyle Guerrero ulit. What's the best things to do after sex? Ay, wala pa akong sagot dito. Kaya naman, ang bakit. Next question is from my best friend, Greg Dattel. What's your biggest fear? Siguro biggest fear ko is losing someone that I love the most and ma-ignore siguro. Kaya muna ako ulit. Next question is from Maria Queng. Yeah guys, ayun yung nagtanong, yung may hawak ng camera. Bakit kahit ibinigay mo na ang lahat, hindi pa rin sapat? Siguro hindi marunong makontento yung binigyan mo. Ayun lang siguro. Next question. Denden Guillermo. Mahal ko or mahal ako? Siguro mahal ko. Kasi ay mali guys, mahal ako pala. Mahal ko pala guys. Ang gulo ko, di ba? Yes, mahal ko dahil mahal pala ako. Sorry. Mahal ako dahil ako naman kasi hindi naman ako mahirap magmahal. Next question from Dender Guillermo again. Define true friend. Wait lang. Siguro yung always nandyan sa'yo through ups and downs. And siya yung friend na I did not expect you to lift me up when I'm down, but I expect you to be on my side when I'm lifting myself up. Ayun siguro. And next question. Oh yeah. Kain muna tayo. Gusto mo ba, Queen? Oh, ayaw mo. Maarte ka kasi. Kain mo tayo. Beauty guru is shaking. Dahil nangyayari mo at madami dalawang taong nagtanong ito. Ano ang nauna, itlog o manok? Sa tingin ko, itlog. Dahil all the mga maliliit na things nag-i-start siya sa itlog. Katulad ng turtle and such, di ba? Dun sila nag-i-start from the egg unto maging animal na sila. Next question is from Rhea G. Hi Rhea G. How was I as your previous treasurer? To be honest, yung term ko is naging masaya. Guys, to be honest, I'm a president before ng organization ko, which is the Young Entrepreneur Society of Letran. Yes, ito yung naging treasurer ko. Yan siya. Siguro, wala, happy lang. Medyo lutang ka nga lang talaga. Konti. Pero hindi konti, lutang ka talaga, girl. Then, wait, kain na ako. Anak kayo shaking. Next question is from _Jayleng. Jayleng! Hi, Jaylene. So, paano po mag-pick ng super maayos? Question mark, like pang IG. Hi, Jaylene. Guys, I have a previous vlog on it. Anong title nun? How to take best photo. And nandun lahat. And that video is linked down below. Sa description box. And siguro first, know your background. Second, know your poses and angle. Then, camera. Then, ito yung pinaka-important. Yan. Confidence. Punot, girl. Next question is from Rodora Yumol _. Anong standards mo para maging crush mo ang isang tao? Wala kang standard dun eh. Feel mo lang siguro. Kain mo na ako. It's pizza. Pizza, pag Italian. Pag Filipino, pizza. Then, next question is from Rodora ulit. Sino yung crush mo? Ito po. Yan, siya yun. Next question. Kain mo na ako guys. Wait lang. Next question is from Next question is from Gail Martin _. Wait. What are your plans on your 21st birthday? This year guys, ngayong September, dapat may super laking plans ako, but COVID-19 ruined it, and siguro I'll do it next year. Next question from Pam Cabalda. Hi mom, I miss you so much. Nag-Samgyeopsal. I hope you're proud. Nagluto ako. Ito yung tanong niya, musta ka na? I'm pretty okay. Yeah, I'm pretty okay. And ito, unexpected yung mga ginagawa ko, like vlogging. I hope you're okay dyan sa Dubai. Next question from Pam Cabalda ulit. Sino idol mo bukod sa akin? Lakas ha, girl, lakas na loba. Siguro si David G. David Gisa. Next question is from Marian Hamias. Hi Marian. Ano po ang nauna sa manok at itlog? I already answered it a while ago. Next question. Paano po maging fresh? Guys, hindi ako fresh ngayon. Nag-breakout ako but I love myself. Next question. Wait. Ano po ang mas nauna? Pasko o bagong taon? Ayos mga tanong ha. Bagong taon guys. Kasi new year. New nga eh. New year. Una, new, bago, di ba? Question from Marian Hamias. Bakit di tayo pinipili ng mga gusto natin? Siguro hindi sila nako-content sa kung anong meron tayo. Tsaka girl, ano ka ba? You are worth it. Kahit di ka nila piliin. Bakit? Next question pala from Marian Hamias again. Bakit daming umaabuso sa kabaitan ng isang tao? Siguro nasa tao din kung magiging magpapaabuso siya. Kasi ako before na ganyan din eh. But I realized that too much is enough. Next question is from Marian Hamias again. Bakit nagpapakatanga tayo sa tao paulit-ulit tayong sinasaktan? Siguro, depende natin yun sa atin. Dahil, choice mo din kung magpapasakit ka lagi or hindi. Kaya, everything is a choice. Next question. Next question. Kain mo na ako. Ito. Fish cake. Next question is from Tanislam. Tanislam. What's the best country na napuntahan mo? To be honest, 2 country pa lang napupuntahan ko. Napupuntahan ko, Singapore and Malaysia. But sa 2 yan, I'll choose Singapore. Next question is from Maria Quang. Ayan, may hawak ng camera. Okay, dami yung tanong guys, no? Diyos ko girl, dami yung tanong. What can you say in Elite? A Netflix series. Guys, panoodin nyo yun guys, super ganda. It talks about equality, it talks about family and friendship. Kaya you should watch it. I'll put the link down below. Charot! Next question from Maria Quang. Dahil mong tanong What is your opinion about racism? Guys, yung nangyayari ngayon sa US ba yun? Sa US. Nakakasad, pero nakakasad dahil bakit yung ganon? Bakit yung white ginagano yung mga black people? And sana break natin yung stigma na pag black ka is from you are underclass, pag white ka nasa top ka. So let's break that stigma na yung ganon. Sana maging equal na lahat and Black Lives Matter. Next question is from kain muna ako. It's from I am the real P. Hello? What is your opinion about the anti-terror bill? Guys, to be honest, ayokong siyang sagutin, but we need to voice it out. Kailangan natin tong i-voice it out dahil kung hindi natin aanuhin to, tayo din yung maaapektuhan in the future. And guys, if mali yung man sasabihin ko, just PM me or DM me. I am open to it dahil hindi po ako nagkasawang matuto. So, yung anti-terrorism bill is ayoko siya siguro dahil nade-degrade niya yung mga human rights ng tao. Tsaka sana hindi siya mapas kahit dahil gosh, like ang hirap gumalaw if ganun na yung country mo. Ayun siguro. I'm not into it, guys. Kain muna tayo. Okay. Guys, ito palang pizza na to. It's from xoxo pizza. Guys, ito yung super sarap, super lambot. Kahit mura lang. 70 pesos lang ata ito. Guys, ang hirap pala mag-mukbang. Tingnan mo, ito na lang yung food namin. Yeah, ito na lang. Medyo madami pa dahil a-attack na ito after this video, guys. Mauubos to. Ito na lang siya. Ito, guys, masarap. And this pizza, mura lang to, guys. 70 pesos pero super sarap. And that is for today's vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and comment down below your vlog suggestion. And don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Again, this is King Martin. See you guys on my next one.